Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Thank you for tuning in today, and today I'm going to be talking to you about medium wigs. And we're going to talk about a few of my favourite medium wigs at the moment, and to give you a little idea on if you were going to change it up, what you could go with. So right now I'm sat with Taylor. Now Taylor is stunning. You know, bobs are never out of fashion, and Taylor is a really good addition to our bob family. If I turn Taylor round, you can see she is very cut beautifully into the neckline, an inverted bob. So when I turn Taylor to a side, you can see it's shorter into the neckline and longer towards the front. We're running Taylor at the moment. This is the illumina-r, which is a very, very popular colour and looks great in this style. Now, I just want to show you the cap construction on Taylor. So Taylor is a machine-made cap with a lace front and a lace part, and Taylor has adjustable straps in at the nape. A great, great style. Okay, let's move on to medium style number 2. I absolutely love this. Now, this colour is in mulberry brown. This is Ryder. Now, Ryder has a wonderful curl pattern / wave, so it's not a really tight curl. We'd probably say it was a medium to long style, but you know, it's maybe a little bit on the longer side for the mediums. We have a beautiful fringe which can be worn quite full or off to a side. And I mean, I've literally just taken her out the box, and let me show you the cap construction there. So on here with Ryder, we have a mono cap, we have a lace front, and we have machine made throughout the back and adjustable straps within at the nape. I think she looks great. So let's move on to medium style number 3. This is Passion, and Passion is stunning. You can see what we have here. For some of you ladies that like to wear your hair off your face, not everybody feels comfortable with hair on their face, but not necessarily want to lose the length. Passion's great for that because we have, you know, this wonderful feminine curl pattern running throughout from a wave into here, but the lace front enables you to be able to wear your hair right back, and it looks super sophisticated. Now, I just want to show you the cap construction. So if I show you the cap construction, Passion is machine made, but has a lace front, so which enables it to look so natural when wearing the hair off your face. Passion also has adjustable straps in at the nape area. So let's go on to my medium style number 4. This one is an absolute classic which we all love. This is Courtney, and I just wanted to show you Courtney because the shape in here is wonderful. You know, and we've got the flips coming out the back. We've got all these wonderful layers that are running through which just look great. And you know, for me as a hairdresser that used to spend a lot of time doing blowouts for clients, this is like, for me, it's like a blowout in a box. If you know you've got that kind of client that has maybe fine hair and she just wants to have something that's blow dried, fresh and ready and $1 million every time, Courtney is definitely a great one for that. Let me show you the cap construction. So, okay, so inside, you know, Courtney is machine made and she's got adjustable straps in on the nape. And for although that it's a very full style, Courtney is really lightweight. So moving on to my 5th and final medium style for the moment. And this one is Lucy from my collection, the Alexander Couture Collection. So when I was designing Lucy, I thought that what would be really nice is to have something that was a little bit flippy off the shoulder, like a blowout, but not overdone, not too uniformed as a style. So something that had a bit of softness, had a bit of femininity, but on the same understanding was something that was achievable at home. Now, Lucy is running in mochaccino-r at the moment, which is a lovely colour. So just showing you how that sits. And I think I'm going to show you the cap construction of Lucy's. So Lucy is a machine-made cap with a monofilament top, and Lucy also has adjustable straps in at the nape, and Lucy is a lovely feathered layered medium to long hairstyle, and is definitely one of my favourite medium styles at the moment. So I hope that you've enjoyed tuning in today and you've picked up quite a bit from our medium styles. Please tell us which one that you liked, or which colours you like, or which styles you like, or if there's a medium style out there that you love that I didn't mention, then tell us your favourites. We always love to get feedback from you all. And from me, Alexander, from all of us here at René of Paris, thank you for tuning in. Remember to follow us on all social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much now. Bye bye.